Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use XLMiner to plot the box plot of a variables classified into different category by another variable. So more particularly, we're gonna consider we call a zero data set in this example, and we're gonna try to compare different type of the zero, that's the cold versus hot. So that's the cold that denoted as C over here, type of zero, versus hot denoted as H over here. So we see how the calorie of different type of zero distributed, and we're gonna using the box plots to plot side by side of the cold versus hot. Okay, so we're gonna go to explore chart wider, and what we can select right here, that's a box plot, and sometimes we go whisker plot. Okay, so in this case we go box plot. So we're gonna try to compare the calories of different types of zeros. So two variables we need to select in this case. So we can click over here. We're gonna select the variable, two variables that we want to plot for our case here. So we select C1 and D78, so that's the two variables over here. Next, so the y-axis we're gonna select the calorie because we want to distribution of the calorie for different type of the zero, right? So that's gonna be calorie for y-axis. Next, for the x-axis gonna be type. Next, no panel in this case. Finish. That's it. So now you can see the box plot side by side between cold and hot type, and you see obviously the cold zero right here is a pretty wide range of the calorie distribution, while for the hot zero we have like exactly one single number for all type of zero. So that obviously gives you some get a sense about the cold versus hot zero distribution in terms of the calorie. So I think that's it for this video. I hope that's helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.